Alrighty, pretty excited about these. Nike ID, my favorite shoe of all time. What's your favorite sneaker of all time? Got the swoosh. Interesting. Haven't seen just the swoosh. Nike by you. So it was Nike ID back in the day. Now Nike by you. Yeah, this has been Nike by Daniel. Ordered. Okay, so you can see what shoe it is right there. The Nike Presto. Definitely my favorite shoe of all time. I used to get size small or size medium, but it kind of has changed over the years. And they went to like regular sizing because when the shoe first came out, it was sized like a t-shirt because it's comfy like a t-shirt. So let's see here. Ooh. Nike by you. Oh man. They're fresh. Look at those. So my favorite shoe was bright yellow Prestos back in 99 or 99 2000. And these ones, this has been my nickname for myself for a long time, DC23. I was born February 23rd. Initials are DC for Dan Coronado. I also like, my buddy introduced me to RJD2, which is like R2D2 is a music artist. And so I kind of did like the C3PO R2D2 DC23 little thing for myself. But yeah, gum bottoms, black with a little highlight of yellow. Yeah, these are pretty fresh. Gonna enjoy rocking these. I already know that they're gonna feel good. I am interested to see what the 9 feels like compared to the 10. I typically run in 10s, but these are not going to be for running. These are only going to be for fashion. But yeah, there they are. Custom Nike, what is it now? Nike by you. Right there. Nike Prestos, best shoe of all time.